Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here and we are back with Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. So I have stitched down my fabrics. First I stitched them down just with a plain thread, and now I'm going around with just a single strand of this red thread. I don't know what it is, it feels like a cotton. And that's going to go around all the fabrics, and I put this blue one here and I've already gone around those there. So we're going to do that, and then I will decide. I'm not going to do anything on these at the moment, they're just there, okay? And I'm considering going around the edge of this with the same stitch in the same color. I think that would be nice, so I'll just show you that quickly and then I'll finish it off camera, and then we will see what's next. I just like the look of that little overcast stitch. So make sure you're, oops. Okay, so I'm back and I just wanted to show you, you've seen it before but we'll do it again, the overcast stitch, and I want to keep them little, not too big. So just little stitches. So I'm going to go around that stripy blue, this one. I think I'm going to do the same stitch but around in a blue around the yo-yo. And I think that's it. And then I will come back and we will see what's next. So I'm back and I have stitched around that one. I did a running stitch around this one here, and I finished off these. I did blue around there, and now I've had a little chat to Mum, and while I was chatting to Mum I had to think about what I wanted to do here, and I'm thinking I want to put some buttons. So I chose 3 buttons. This one I like the reverse side more. I like that reverse side more than the front side. I'm just going to put a little cluster of buttons there. And so I'm thinking what thread. I think I'm going to use a mustard color. Just let me grab my thread. Okay. Maybe this one. No, not that one. That's a bit acidy. I'm going to use that one. No, that's a bit orangey. Oh dear. Orangey. I have this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, so I'm using a DMC, and I don't know how many strands are here, but let's unravel it. Three strands it looks like. So it's kind of like a little, what would we say? It's like a little collage, as someone mentioned in the Facebook group. It's a little collage of favourite things, really. We'll take those off. Now this one I might tie it, so I'm just going to come down this way. Oh my goodness, I dislike sewing on buttons enormously. Sometimes it just takes me forever to be able to find where the hole is. Now I just want to go through, I'll just hold on to that another time, that's it. Okay. So I need to tie that. There we go. Yes, I do like that. And the other two I think I'll just stitch on normally. Can you see? Yes. Just, oh, this one is not friendly at all. I like to go through my buttons a few times just to make sure they are stitched on. Maybe 3. I'm not even going to end that off. I'm going to come over here and do this one. Oh, that one was a bit easier. The holes are bigger. Careful not to pull it too tight. And you can get creative with how you tie your buttons on. You can do little stitches coming around like that if you want to. Okay, now I'm going to end this off. So just have fun with it and do what you feel like. Just follow the prompt. So the prompt is favorite fabric, and then get creative with your favorite fabric, with how you want to put it on there. Okay, so then my next thing was I found this just sitting on my desk. It's a piece of lace that I just see, it's just a piece of lace cut off, and I just went like that with it and put a safety pin in, and I thought I might just pin. It's a bit more, I want a bit more like that. I think I'm just going to pin it on my piece. I've got to think where. Up there, I think I might pin it just there, and I can move it if I want to, because it's just pinned. Whether or not I then, well, just a minute, do I want to put another? No, not more. And I can just move it if I want to move it. It's just a little garment. Okay. I'm just going to leave that there for now, and then I might, oh, well, I think I might move it. Anyway, and then I had a laundry label, and I wanted to put that somewhere. I don't know where. Let's see, maybe there. That was where I'm tending to want to go. I think I'm going to move that. I did want to put it there somewhere, but anyway, we'll look at that in a second. Let's stitch this on. I may just stitch it on with this same mustardy thread. And those who have followed me, you know, I like to put my stitches on the corners here, and then a couple in the center. I nearly always stitch them on like this. So it's a fairly simple thing, like I haven't done anything very complex here. They're actually quite tough to go through, these laundry labels. Okay, so I put my laundry label on. Now we'll be able to see better whether I like. Yeah, I feel like it needs something else. I do feel like I want to put this there. I've just got to see how. I could have it at the bottom. Just making sure you can see at the bottom there I could have, or kind of like it there. I think that's where I'm going to put it. I'm actually going to pin it, but then I may just come back. Hope I don't stab myself. Okay, got it. There. I may just put a couple of stitches in there just to hold that in place. And I think I'll stitch it. I've got it threaded over here. No, I don't. Yes, I do. I'm just going to put a couple of navy stitches in there. Because of course this is meant to be a wall hanging, so I don't want this to flop down. They're almost invisible, the stitches. In there. Come over here and put a couple in. There. And over here. Then I might have, dangle something down there at a later date. Who knows? And it wasn't planned. I actually was cleaning up my ephemera box for the, tags and stuff that I've made, and I just found it. It obviously fell off something, and I found it then. It's been sitting on my desk for a few days. So there we go. So that is I love that. Let me see. Yeah. That is my little favorite fabrics there. Down here, up here as well, and then I forgot to show you at the beginning, and that bit down there, and things can happen down there as well. So there's favorite fabrics, some favorite fabrics, because I have many, and so next week is a new prompt. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.